Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share another set of 3 cards using what I have started calling my formula. So I have a hashtag which is hashtag DD card formula. I think I'll have it in the description box and the title. So I'm calling it my card formula, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen it before, it's where I take one stamp set, one paper pad, and one sketch to create 3 cards. In the description box below, I'll leave the video where I first shared like why I'm doing this and stuff. I'm really just doing it because I'm having the most fun with it. So let's get on to what I used today. So for my stamp set today, I used Miss Anya jeans from the Greeting Farm. Such fun, cute little girls there. I used a very old paper pad from, I think it was like 2012. It's from Kaisercraft, and it's Tea at Elsie's collection. It's a neat paper pad. It's got some like different textures to it. I don't know, I really liked it. And then I used my favorite rectangle dies that I use on almost every card. It's the My Favorite Things A2 Stitched Rectangle Stack Set 1. And then I will put the sketch that I used on the screen now. And thinking about it, it is hashtag Danny's Dreams card formula. There we go. I remembered. All right. And so on to the cards that I created. Here is the first one, and look at her little freckles. So cute. And then on the inside of all of them, I did some banners, and then Hey Beautiful. So there's the first one. Next up is this cutie. And I liked that paper. It was like the corner of a paper, but I thought it looked so pretty. And again, there's the inside. And then the last one is this one. This was also like a full page, and I just used the corners, and I thought it turned out so pretty. And then there's the inside of that one. So there are 3 cards using my card formula, which is one sketch, one paper, let's start over. Did it backwards there. One stamp set, one paper pad, and one sketch. And that is what I have for you today. This is super fun, and I can't wait to do more of it. It's just an easy way, especially like right now, I'm kind of struggling with my mojo. Like I don't know, this month, I just haven't felt like creating as much. But when I did this, I got really excited and I had a lot of fun. So for me, it's kind of helping to jumpstart my mojo, along with using up some supplies and just having a great time. So until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.